Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel, Richmond Ellyse. I really miss cooking, so in today's vlog, I'm going to cook bean sprout with tofu and shrimp. Like sauteed bean sprout with shrimp and tofu. So here are the ingredients. I have 1 kilo of bean sprout or the toge, 1 kilo of tokwa or tofu, fried and cut into cubes. I have few pieces of shrimp, and of course 100 grams of green beans, 3 sticks of green onion, 1 medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, of course ground black pepper, and to taste we have soy sauce. So let's cook. So we're done, and I'm making this healthy dish because it's shrimp, bean sprout, beans, and tofu. So no meat. So thank you for being with me on this video, and comment down below for your reaction. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See you once again on our next video, and thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, and God bless. Bye for now.